Have you ever seen a female cicada lay eggs on a tree? This video will give you a close-up look of how the 17-year-old mother deposits her egg in a small branch. Yes, exactly 17 years. She was a nymph living in the ground for 17 years and came up a few weeks ago, all together with millions of the population to mate and lay eggs in order to continue her species. Please check out more videos of the fascinating life of these cicadas in our channel. They're male and female cicadas. Do you know which one is male? Only male can sing or make this loud sound. This is male, and he is loud. And this is female. She has longer abdomen and ovipositor. We can't tell from their back, but it is really easy to distinguish by looking at their abdomen. This mother is laying her eggs by using sharp ovipositor at her abdomen to make a hole on the branch and push out her eggs into it. You can see the contraction at her abdomen. Hope you enjoyed the video. We like to play with our toys, and we also love nature. Please consider to subscribe if you like. Bye!